Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Few days ago, I planned to take this video. So in this video, I will show you all my crazy and amazing core rings. Hey guys, if you like my artworks and videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and give your big support to me. And one more thing, leave your better comments, likes on each video because it will really motivate to make amazing video for you guys. Do you want more updates from me? You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and Instructable. I will respond to your all comments and replies. So give your big support to me guys.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah.
Okay, all are done. I will show my artwork now. Let's jump into it. First, I will show you my top favorite carvings.
Her body's gold like September.
I have carved around 200 plus works, but to be honest, so these are my favorite carvings.
We all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I served it up, it goes down. 75 degrees and a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's through the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out, the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I'll be gone till November, going through the letters that I send her, and thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to. And all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, they're so kind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I don't need what I've sold, I just need something good. And I know when we're old, we'll look back and say some mistakes we made, they made us who we are. These games we played, they got us really far. That shit to most won't ever mean a thing, but it got us here, so I hold on. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean. And at night, I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise.
Praise be to the God above. above at the night. All I wanna do is love, I don't wanna fight. Why you coming at me telling me to get in line? I can see the pride coming up out your eyes, I'm not surprised. How can I do this? You sound like Judas, confide in the jeweler. I see mountain trying to move her, you live for the moolah. That's kinda cool, I'm frying the noodles. You pray to Buddha, I bow to Yeshua, I ain't that foolish, no. I've been on the road too long, the Pro Tools broke, but folks we hope. They got anxiety, but cope with dope. Why you think they listen to NF? Why you think we go to service, never hear the message? Attention span gone, the Instagram one. We give the bread off for likes to get on. We build a kingdom, but where was God's son? I don't need no spot at your table, I'm here to see his will done.
Okay, thank you for watching my full video and we will meet again.